In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add product variants on Shopify, and I'm excited to guide you through this process, step by step. Understanding product variants is key to enhancing the shopping experience for your customers, giving them the flexibility to choose the best version of a product to suit their needs. So, let's dive in and see how you can efficiently manage these variants in your Shopify store. To start, let's talk about what product variants actually are. Variants allow you to offer different versions of the same product, such as varying sizes, colors, or materials. For example, if you're selling a t-shirt, you might offer it in sizes like small, medium, and large, as well as different colors such as red, blue, and green. Each unique combination, like a large red t-shirt, is what we refer to as a variant. It's important to set these up correctly to streamline your inventory management and provide clarity for your customers. Now, let's get to the actual process. Begin by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard, where all your products and settings reside. Once you're in, head over to the sidebar and click on Products. Here you have the option to either create a new product or select an existing one that you want to modify with variants. This choice depends on whether you're launching a new line or updating current offerings. After you've selected or created a product, scroll down the page to find the Variants section. Sometimes, this might also be labeled as the Options section, so don't worry if you see a slight variation in the terminology. If you're setting up options like size or color for the first time, you'll notice a prompt saying, "Plus add options like size or color." Click on this to proceed. Input the name of the option you want to set, such as size, and then specify the option values, like small, medium, and large. If you wish to add another dimension, like color, simply click the plus add another option button. Keep in mind that Shopify allows you to include up to 3 options per product, so plan accordingly. Once you're satisfied with the combinations you've created, click Done, and remember to hit Save to ensure your new variants are finalized and ready for customer interaction. With your variants now established, you might want to edit or manage them further. This is crucial for adjusting elements like pricing, stock keeping units, SKU, inventory levels, or even assigning specific images to different variants. After all, a good visual representation can significantly enhance customer experience. To make these modifications, navigate back to the product page and scroll to the list of variants. Click on a specific variant to adjust attributes such as price, SKU, and inventory levels. Moreover, if you need to spice things up by adding a new option value, for instance, introducing a new color like yellow, simply edit the existing option and add your new value before saving. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you can effectively set up and manage product variants on Shopify, leading to a more organized store and a better shopping experience for your customers.